Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
So in this video I'm going to show how to make a star out of an ordinary 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper in half on the long sides. And let's fold it in half on the long side here. Okay. So we made a fold there, and then we're going to take our fold and bring it up to the top and fold that. You don't have to be super careful about getting the edges just perfect on this technique. So I'm going to open that back up, and then I'm going to, because I want to have that crease as a marking, so I'm going to take my left hand corner and I'm going to bring it up to that 1/4 inch mark crease that I creased. So bring it right up there, fold my paper. Okay, then I'm going to take my right corner, which is over here, and I'm going to fold it right up along the fold I just made. Okay, so it kind of splits it right down the middle. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it in the middle again. So I'm folding from the right over the top of the left. And I get this kind of shape. So now there's just one step left, and that's to cut it. So this is going to be the point of the star. And depending on where we cut, it's going to depend on how big or how skinny our arms are going to be on our star points. So if I were to make one that was right there, it would have really skinny arms. Right here it might be kind of fat. So I'm going to pick this. I'm going to just make one straight cut along there, and I'm going to open it up, and I have a star. I just made one simple cut, and here I have a 5-pointed star. It's rumored that this is how Betsy Ross made the stars for the flag. That's why they have 5 points, because she had this method in mind, and it was easy for her to make one in this method. So I'll make another one for you. Let's use a different color paper. So again, we're folding it in half lengthwise. We'll fold it in half again. And then we'll unfold that part. So this is a 1/4 inch line. We're going to take our left hand folded point and bring it right to that crease line. Fold it down, and then we're going to take our right hand side piece and we're going to fold it right up along this line here. So fold that, and then I'm going to fold it once again from the right side over to the left, and I have my wedge, and I am going to cut again. I think I will try to go for skinny arms on this one. And remember, this is kind of going to be the point of your star. You can't really go beyond that to have your point, but anywhere less than that I can do. So I'm actually going to make my point come down a little bit further so that I end up with a smaller star. So again, I'm going to make a very skinny wedge here, and you might want to use bigger scissors for this so you don't have to move it along. But if I open this one up, I've got another star with skinnier points, and it's smaller than my first one, which is what I wanted. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one more in the red. So I'm folding it lengthwise, folding it half again, opening it up to expose that quarter mark, taking my left corner and folding it towards my crease mark. And then I'm taking my right corner and running it along this fold. And then it's kind of like folding it in half from the right side over to the left. Fold that, and I kind of like the skinny armed one, so but actually I think I'm going to do a fat armed one just so we can see the difference. And I don't want it to come all the way out to this point because I don't want it to be that big. So let's try right here and see what we get. And if you find one that you like, you might fold it back up and then use this as a line to draw on your piece that you're going to cut, and that way you can get some that are the same size. So this one has some fatter arms than my last one, which is okay. And I could stack them together to make a decorations. Okay, so I'm going to stack my pieces up. And I can put a votive candle on there. You can real simple decoration. You can use other kind of papers. You could use cloth, but you know, if you're going to use a candle, just be really cautious. You know, make sure you have a good votive holder, and you should be good to go. And thank you for joining me.